Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to change opacity in DaVinci Resolve 18. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To accomplish this, start by clicking on New Project. So let's name it Opacity and go ahead and click on Create. Now navigate to the Edit section. Access your preferred folder and locate the clip you want to use. Drag and drop the chosen clip onto the workspace. The process is literally straightforward. Follow these steps. Click on Inspector, located at the top right corner. Once there, adjust the opacity setting at the bottom. You'll notice the visibility changing from fully visible to completely transparent. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.